Hey, welcome to my vlog. This is Project Ford Escape. Well, this is the next day after I did the video when it was back up in the 40s and 50s. We're back down around 15, and she's running just like a top. So, definitely a hot, something to do with a hot coil. I got good traction, and she's running like a top. Also, what you can find in the wintertime, a lot of snow, is, you see that green stuff? That's antifreeze. May have a pending antifreeze leak issue here, but then again, it could just be overfill. But I don't know. I'm gonna inspect that and see where this is coming from. It's up high, so but anyway, as we tell, with this vehicle is always something. All right, well, check the antifreeze level, and the antifreeze level's up where it needs to be. That's cold level. But I've looked through here. I don't see anything up top here coming out of the upper hose. Let me see down through there. I don't see any leakage there. You do have your lines that go into your inner radiator. But I don't see anything over there either. Let's come across. Go down under there. This is your radiator. Aha. Yeah. All right. Radiator hose going into the, a little bit of something wet over here though. Let's see. A little bit of wet down in there. Come around thermostat area. So, but keep an eye on it. And just keep an eye on your reservoir. And if it persists, because a lot of times you won't see this stuff. You won't see this stuff normal during the summertime driving, because you know it goes onto the asphalt or in your driveway or in the dirt. You don't see it. But when you're driving in white snow, you'll definitely see what leaks you got coming around that you really need to investigate. So I'll keep an eye on that and see what's going on. Just look around your top of your head here. Keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it. There you go, stay there. But anyway, I don't see anything urgent. It's going to cause me to overheat. So just keep an eye on your reservoir, and if you're not like me, have a mechanic take a look and see what you got. But yeah, definitely telltale signs you might have a antifreeze. That you actually have an antifreeze leak. So anyway, thanks for watching. The thing is with that, sometimes the water pump, right around where it rotates, there's a little seep hole underneath. So when the seals inside your water pump go, they starts to drip out of there. So hopefully I don't have a water pump. Hate to have to do that. God. Not in the wintertime, anyway. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, and we'll catch you on the next. Hopefully it's not for the water pump. Project Escape.